Do you want to know how you can choose the two-factor verification method on Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose the two-factor authentication method on Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any time now. Go ahead and open wise.com on any of the browser you have on your PC. Then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Tap on your profile and go to settings. Now scroll a bit down and find two-step verification. You can manage your two-step verification methods with a simple click. Go ahead and tap on it and click change two-step verification settings. So some of the methods are Authenticator app, text message and Wise app. So you can click on edit default, which is over here. After you click on edit default, you can see two of the authenticator settings are here. You can either choose from text message or authenticator app anytime and click update default method. And the default method will be updated quite easily. So you can click on edit default, select the method and click update default method, and your two-step verification method will be changed instantly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.